Hello, namaste, sastri akal, kem cho, vadakkam, kedo wala hai. Little Big Shot to go to Britain's Got Talent, and at last एक डांस तो बनता है.
Oh!
Hey Akshat, how are you?
I'm really good. How are you?
It's fine, it's fine. कैसा quarantine कैसा चल रहा है?
It's going really good. I am enhancing my skills, enjoying this time. So it's like the first time in the last 10 years that I have been in my house for like 4 months. So it's a dream come true for me. And also, like, the new thing is I got to know about the online education, all the online work which I'm doing, work from home, WFH.
तो जैसे अक्षत बहुत जैसे हम आपको जानते हैं, there might be people who may not know you, so we just want you to give a little introduction about yourself.
Okay, so hello everyone, how are you all? So this is Akshat Singh. Hello, namaste, sastri akal, kem cho, vadakkam, kedo wala hai, kaisa hai, assalamu alaikum. So I have two simple mottos in my life. The first one, to be happy and make others happy, and second, that nothing is impossible in our life.
तो अक्षत, मैं ये पूछना चाहता था कि यार वी ऑल नो यू आर द इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट. लाइक तुमने जो जितना आज तक जितने रियलिटी शोज में परफॉर्म किया है, अटेंड किया है, तो व्हाट वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस देयर? कि यार लाइक तुमने जब स्टार्ट किया था तुम बहुत छोटी एज के थे और तुमने जैसे हर जगह किया, तो तुम्हारे अलग अलग एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहे? जैसे तुमने एलन में जाके गया, तो एलन का एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहा? ब्रिटेन गॉट टैलेंट में रहा, तो उसका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है? लिटिल शॉर्ट्स के अंदर क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा? तो
Okay, so सब कुछ बताऊंगा. Okay, so let me start with let me start with the Ellen DeGeneres show. So when I was going to Ellen, like it was the first time when I was traveling with my family to LA, to actually abroad out of India, and that LA, US. That time I really didn't know about Ellen, but when I got to know about her, like I was amazed. I was with Bradley Cooper that time, and I really didn't know who Bradley Cooper is.
Wow.
So I didn't even take a selfie with him. But right now I think, oh, I was with Bradley Cooper. But yeah, Ellen, she is really humble, and the people of US are great. They are just like me. They dance. They are encouraging, and the food, of course. Like I ate the chocolate cake. Oh, I loved it. That was the best moment for me in US. And yeah, I was able to make everyone happy over there. And I showed everyone that fat people can dance. And my main aim was to make my country, my parents, and my guru proud. And yeah, then let's come to Little Big Shot Australia. Yeah, in Little Big Shot Australia, I said like, this is my chicken, this is my fish, and this is my burger. So yeah, that was the most important thing. And east or west food is the best. So yeah, in Australia also, I had a really good experience with all the people over there. In Vietnam, Little Big Shots Vietnam, I got to know their language. The food of Vietnam was really good. I had a lot of shopping over there. And now let's come to the latest show, that was the Britain's Got Talent. So yeah, to go to Britain's Got Talent was just like a dream come true for me, because my father says me that when the rain comes, the fish eats the ant, but when the water dries, the ant eats the fish. So we should always try to wait for our chance. And as the chance comes, we should grab it with thousands of hands. So like to go to Little Big Shot, to go to Britain's Got Talent, it was the chance for me to convert my life, to become famous internationally. And like when I got the golden buzzer by Ant and Deck, oh, that was the best moment, because I always saw the videos of Britain's Got Talent in which Ant and Nick used to come. They said, well, and they gave the golden buzzer. And the most important thing, I cried over there, because my main aim in my life is to make my country, India, proud. That's why we say, Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara. And I was able to make my country, my parents, my school, my guru proud, because it was the hard work of my parents from the last 10 years. And I got that success right now only and only because of the blessings of Lord Jesus and my parents. And yeah, the most important thing, I always say that I will never forget two people in my life. The first person who lost everything just to make me win, my dad. And the second person who was with me in the thick and thin moments of my life, my mom. So yes, I had a lot of fun over there. I met a lot of people. I saw different types of talent. And I was able to go to the go to Europe, a new place for me over where I can share happiness and make everyone proud.
That
And
is.
yeah, the most important thing, the Nando's or the grilled chicken of Nando's. I just loved it. Whenever my performance was over, I got the golden buzzer. At night, I went to Nando's. I ate a lot of chicken over there. So yeah, I had a lot of fun.
So you told us about how you have so much stuff to do. तो कभी थोड़ा तो प्रॉब्लम होता ही होगा पढ़ाई में, स्कूल में, तो कैसे मैनेज किया? How did you manage?
Look, difficulties are gonna come in our life.
True.
So let me share a quote of our late Dr. Abdul Kalam with you all, APJ Abdul Kalam. So he used to say that difficulties are needed in a human being's life as they are necessary to enjoy the taste of success. So yes, difficulties are necessary. So like now difficulties, I need to manage both my dance along with my education, my shooting and my education. So yeah, at first it was a bit hard, but right now it's like in my daily routine to do both my education along with my shooting, dance and everything. And yeah, like right now I have a particular routine. I need to plan my time. For me, my planning is one of the most important thing. I need to use my time in the best way I can, because I can't like waste my time in watching TV or playing games. Yeah, I watch TV at night with my family. I watch really one movie, of course. But yeah, I like can't only watch TV, play games. I need to do my dance with my taekwondo, with my studies, eating new types of food, talking to everyone, talking to my friends. And yes, I need to do everything in one day. Yeah.
So Akshat, I want to ask here, like when I was your age, मेरा favorite cartoon हुआ करता था हागिमारू, शिनचैन और नारुतो. So तुम्हारा कौन सा favorite cartoon है? Like
मेरा छोटा भीम.
Oh.
Chota Bheem. Because when it started, Chota Bheem, I really did not like a lot of cartoons. But Chota Bheem came, I just started seeing it, and like there were a lot of parts of Chota Bheem, because like that time, Chota Bheem was like the best cartoon for me. And of course, I also like to sing along with watching cartoons. I like to sing, dance.
Very nice. So Akshat, so I want to ask यार तुम जब अलग अलग शोज के अंदर गए थे और तुमने अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताया कि यार वहां पर जाके मैंने जब मैंने ब्रिटेन का टैलेंट किया, जब मेरे को गोल्डन बजर मिला, तब उसके बाद में जब मैं खाना खाने गया तो ऐसे हाँ अब तो मैं बहुत खाने वाला हूँ. तो ये चीज तो आई वांट टू आस्क यार अलग अलग जगह पे तो मतलब व्हाट वाज योर फिक्स मस्ती कि यार मैं ये यहाँ जाऊंगा तो ये तो जरूर करना है मेरे को. व्हाट इज
कहीं भी जाऊंगा खाना तो पहले है, खाना सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो कहीं भी जाने के पहले मैं गूगल में जाता हूँ, सर्च करता हूँ, अच्छा यहाँ पे ये मिलता है, ओके तो रेडी. पहले लिस्ट मेरा एक ही रहता है खाने का. आई लव ईटिंग. Some people like singing, some people like to observe things, some people like to roam around. I like eating. First thing in my life, eating, then dancing, then studies and everything. But first, eating, nothing more than eating.
खाना सबसे पहले है.
Yes, I had, yeah.
क्या सीन हुआ होगा ब्रिटेन गॉट टैलेंट के ऑडिशंस और उसके लिए तैयारी कर रहा होगा, और अक्षर जैसे डांस करके आता था तो पापा को ये एक ही चीज बोलता है, पापा लिस्ट बना लो, ये रही मेरे रेस्टोरेंट्स की तैयारी. बात तो जाना ही है.
When I went to Dubai, like that time I reached in the morning and the breakfast was ready. Oh, I loved the breakfast. It was super.
What did you eat? क्या खाया?
Over there सबसे पहले तो पेस्ट्रीज थे बहुत सारे. बोलिए. फिर उसके बाद मेरे को न्यूटेला बहुत पसंद है, ब्रेड के साथ लगा के.
क्वारंटीन में ऐसे खाने की बातें कर रहे हो जहाँ पे हम जाके कुछ कर भी नहीं सकते.
मेरा बर्थडे था अभी, तो मेरा क्वारंटीन बर्थडे गया. मम्मी ने घर में पैनकेक बनाया तो थोड़ा यार फील आया अंदर से. ओके. So yeah, because it has been a long time, like 4 months, I didn't travel anywhere, I didn't get any new type of food. And yeah, but as I was saying, like the food in Dubai is superb. And yeah, actually I went to Dubai for a ad of Etisalat. It's a company over there, you may know. So over there I had ad with Atif Aslam. And yeah, it was super fun over there. The dinner was great. I also roamed around a bit. I went to Burj Al Arab, then Burj Khalifa. At night, in Burj Khalifa, in front of Burj Khalifa, there's a waterfall.
Yes.
There's like the dance. That was superb. There was the music. I was even dancing. It was really good.
Anyways, अक्षत बहुत सारे सवाल हो गए हैं, थोड़ा गेम कर लेते हैं. Okay.
Yes.
तो हमारा जो गेम है जो हम आपके साथ खेलने वाले हैं वो है the first word which comes to your mind when you read
Okay.
dash. तो इसमें सिंपल सा है, हम आपको वर्ड देंगे और आपको जल्दी से हमें बोलना है जो भी वर्ड सेंटेंस जो भी आपके दिमाग में आता है. ओके?
Okay. Okay. So now I need to think a lot of words.
Yes. Okay, Akshat, welcome to the game section of the Cousin Show. The first word which comes to your mind. Okay, तो आपका पहला word है food.
Chicken.
Instant answer.
Anytime. Food. अब
Awesome.
चिकन में बहुत सारे like चिकन चिल्ली, चिकन बटर मसाला, चिकन लॉलीपॉप, चिकन बिरयानी, चिकन रोल, चिकन कोफ्ता, चिकन बटर चिकन, चिकन टिक्का मसाला. अब वो नहीं रहा है, मुझे भूख लग रहा है, मन कर रहा है चिकन आ जाए बस सामने.
नहीं अक्षत, हम तो वीगन्स हैं, हमें तो पता नहीं था इतने टाइप होते हैं. नेक्स्ट वर्ड पे चलते हैं अक्षत, जो कि है डांस.
Dance. Michael Jackson.
Hey.
Michael Jackson,
Awesome.
called the legend of dance, the legend of dance, whom I follow a lot.
Wow. चलते हैं नेक्स्ट पे, जो कि है सलमान खान.
Golden Heart.
बहुत सही.
A man with a golden heart, because for me he is just like my god. Actually, I started dancing after seeing his song Tera Hi Jalwa Wanted.
Wow.
So I saw that song, and after that I started dancing Tera. And yeah, for me, Bhai has helped me a lot in every sector of my life. He's my mentor. He always says me that to do everything from the bottom of my heart. Tension लेने का नहीं, बस tension देने का. And yes, Salman Bhai is a person whom he likes. He likes him like very much. Whom he hates like very much. He's a moody person. He does everything from the bottom of his heart. He has a strong willpower. He respects everyone. The most important thing, he always says me to respect everyone, respect your work, be dedicated to your work, and जो भी करो मन से करो. That's the most important thing he says.
Awesome.
High bench for life.
Anyways, चलते हैं हमारे आखिरी वर्ड पे, and it is school.
Memories.
So अक्षत, ये था हमारा गेम सेक्शन.
Yeah.
हम लोगों ने कुछ वर्ड्स चूज करके रखे थे आपके लिए, जिसमें हम लोगों ने या लाइक काफी सही चला. स्टार्टिंग में जैसे हम लोगों ने फूड के बारे में आया तो सीधा इंस्टेंट रिएक्शन आया कि भाई हमको चिकन बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है. और जब हम लोगों ने दूसरा जब आया था डांस के ऊपर आया था, तो लाइक डांस के ऊपर थोड़ी चर्चा करते हैं. तो यार लाइक जब हमने आपको ब्रिटेन गॉट टैलेंट में देखा था ना, तब आपका जब आया था कि लाइक आपने अभी भी जस्ट ये मेंशन किया कि यार मैं हैप्पीनेस फैलाने के लिए, और जो है कि नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल. तो ये थॉट कब दिमाग में आया कि यार ये अब करके बताना है, करके ये दिखाना है कि हाँ मैं खुशी दे सकता हूँ और कुछ खत्म नहीं होगा वैसे, लाइक मैं कर सकता हूँ.
ये थॉट तो मुझे छोटे से आया था, द हैप्पीनेस का. Happiness and nothing is impossible. So happiness, as मैं आपको happiness का बताया, that people are really busy in their work. They do not have time for their family and for themselves. ये first हो गया. And second thing, nothing is impossible in our life. So like when I was small, I was really fat. Right now also I'm fat. Yeah, that time I was a bit more fat. So that time what happened was I loved to dance, but when my dad took me to the dance class over there, the teachers and the the kids over there, they looked at me, laughed at me, and the teacher told me to go into the last row of the dance class and stand over there. It was a bit tough for me. I was just like a laughing stock over there. So when my father went to the dance teacher and asked him, how did my kid do? So he said that it's not his cup of tea. He can't dance. So I came to my house. That day I had chicken though. So it made me happy a bit. I was sad, but I had chicken, so I was a bit happy. And then my dad asked me that, do you want to dance? So I said that dance is my passion. I love dancing. Dance is in my blood. It's my hobby. And that time, there were only two people in this universe who had trust on me, my parents, my mom and my dad. And the hard work that I did, I always used to go 4 o'clock in the field, because if I went at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, there were people over there. They saw me, laughed at me. So I didn't like that. So I went at 4 o'clock, did all my running, splits, all my stunts, dancing, and step by step. I always say, we should have patience. We need to go step by step. and then I got India's Got Talent, Ellen DeGeneres show, and everything. So I say that it's difficult to achieve success, but it is more difficult to retain that success. And we can retain that success only and only if we are humble. We should never forget our first step. If we forget our first step, we are gonna fall and we will be finished. So we should try to be humble, respect others, be happy, and that's why I say it doesn't matter if you are fat, slim, tall, short, black, white. It matters what we do from the bottom of our heart. So yeah, nothing is impossible in our life.
Awesome. चलो चलो थोड़ा मूड लाइट करते हैं. हमारे
Are you
आखिरी सेक्शन पे चलते हैं जो कि है मीम रिव्यू.
Meme review.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait,
It should like start with a sound.
Yeah.
Like,
just like Kapil Sharma show, yeah.
it's like Devi or Sarjano.
Anyways,
स्वागत है आपका मीम रिव्यू में.
चालू करते हैं हमारे पहले मीम से जो कि है ये. When the only question you know on the test is your name.
I have seen some of my friends, they didn't like prepare for the exam. Then आगे exam में नाम लिख लिया, उधर उधर देख रहे हैं दिखाने के लिए. मेरे को सब कुछ आता है. थोड़ा पानी पी लिया, then थोड़ा टाइम हो गया, then दर्द दे रहा है यार सर बहुत, हाथ दर्द दे रहा बहुत, लिख लिया मैंने. And then फिर पीछे को मेरे को हाय बोला, 2 का 1 बता, 2 का 1. टीचर उधर घूमे, 2 का 1. Then I'm telling you the answers. टीचर घूमे, नत्ते मैं सो थोड़ा पानी प्यास लग रहा था ना, मैं इधर उधर घूम रहा हूँ. So yeah, this is the right face I think everyone makes when they know only the name in the exam.
This is very relatable. क्योंकि हमारी तो स्कूलिंग खत्म हो गई है, बट जब भी हम स्कूल में थे तो हमसे भी बहुत बार होता था जो भी छोटे मोटे टेस्ट होते थे. मेरा
एक दोस्त हुआ करता था, तो वो ऐसे हर पेपर से पहले ना ऐसे जय श्री राम लिखता था कि यार पेपर जाए ना जाए भगवान सुधार देंगे. तो ऐसे जय श्री राम लिखता था. तो उसको देख के ना उसका एक दिन के ऐसे ही 70% आ गए. वो ऐसे फर्स्ट डिवीजन पास हो गया. तो क्या अगले जब फाइनल एग्जाम्स हुए ना दूसरी क्लास के, तब पास वाले जितने भी जो ऐसे उसके जैसे ही जो थे जिनको ऐसे पास होने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लग जाता था तो वो ऐसे एक चार जने देखा कि यार जय श्री राम लिखने से काम हो जाता है, तो सब लोगों ने जय श्री राम लिखा है.
डूड मैंने भी बोर्ड्स में लिखा था. बोर्ड्स में मेरे हर बोर्ड के पेपर मैंने ओम लिखा था एकदम टॉप पे.
So I'm gonna try that in my boards. I'm gonna try that. And to say I have my board. Next year I have my board. I'm in 10th right now. So I'm gonna have my board. So yeah, I'm gonna use this trick during my board exams.
नहीं but पढ़ना भी only उस पे डिपेंड मत होना. चलो next वाले पे चलते हैं हम लोग. ये रहा. Exams are good. They make me realize that I can sit idle for 3 hours without my phone.
Without my phone. That's the best thing. Yeah, exams are the things in which we can sit without a phone for 3 hours. अभी तो like 3 hours without phone अगर कोई बच्चा बैठ गया ना, वो बिल्कुल सुधरा हुआ बच्चा है. बाबा रामदेव हो गया वो तो.
नहीं बट रियली ये एग्जाम में ऐसा वो टीचर को स्टेयर करना, विंडो के बाहर स्टेयर करना, 3 घंटे कुछ नहीं करना बिना फोन के. स्किल है.
जब कुछ आता नहीं हो एग्जाम में तब यही होता है.
नहीं तब इधर उधर पूछना पड़ता है. भाई तेरे को पता है क्या? भाई बता दे यार प्लीज.
इधर वो रख के इधर 2 उंगली दिखाना, 2 का 1. फिर हम लोग बनाते हैं. मतलब मैं अगर कि मतलब मैं तुम्हें बुला रहा हूँ, आंसर मिल गया, चलो ऐसा कर दिया, आंसर मुझे मिल गया. Some of these secret code which we make during our exams.
या लाइक 2 जने पहले से सेट होते हैं कि भाई सेक्शन ए में ट्रू फॉल्स आएंगे, वो तू बता देना. या इसमें टेक द करेक्ट आंसर्स आएंगे, वो तू बता दियो. ऐसे चलता रहता है.
That is true.
पर आपने आप में से किसी ने भी कभी आज तक पेपर पास किया है? मैंने एक बार किया था. मतलब मैंने दिया नहीं था, मेरे फ्रेंड्स का एग्जाम चल रहा था. अब हमें लिखना था ऐसे, फ्रेंड्स में लिखना था, और मेरे फ्रेंड को आता नहीं था, उसने वो करके नहीं आया था. बस अब सर लिटरली यहाँ पे चल रहे हैं और उसने मुझे दे दिया, लिख. मेरे को नहीं पता, अब सर मुझे डांटने वाले, मुझे पता है. तो सीधा पेपर अंदर डाल दिया. ओके कूल डाउन. फिर धीरे धीरे लिखा. इट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई डिड इट, बट या मजा आया.
चीटिंग में मजा तो आता ही है, वो अलग एक्सपीरियंस है, मेमोरीज
Yeah, it's needed. It's needed in our life. It's
That
like
is
really good
true.
memory. Yeah, cheating हमने भी
एक
की.
बार चेक कर दो मेरे पेरेंट्स यहाँ पर तो नहीं है.
नहीं, पता चले वीडियो कॉल के बाद हम दोनों को चप्पल पड़ रहा, अच्छा बेटा चीटिंग की थी तुमने.
ले आज तो तुम्हारी सुताई करते हैं, आओ. अच्छा.
Anyways,
यार.
अक्षत, हमें एक्चुअली में बहुत ऑनर्ड फील हुआ कि आप हमारे शो में आए,
No,
और
not at all. It's
we are
like
very very
really good.
proud of you, to be honest.
Thank you.
Actually.
Thanks a lot. So, would just like to say to all my friends and fans all over the world that the most important thing, as I say, try to be happy, love others, share positivity, and of course, right now, after doing this superb show with you all, it made me happy. So you are happy and you are making me happy. So yeah, you are following my motto, and it's your motto in your life, of course. And like in this time of quarantine, we need to have shows like this, the way you are doing it.
Thank
It's
you.
like sharing happiness. That's the most important thing right now that the world needs. So everyone, please like, share, subscribe, be happy, give a lot of happiness to this show, and eat a lot.
Eat chicken, guys. Chicken. A big shout out to chicken.
And at last, एक डांस तो बनता है, एक डांस तो बनता है.
Yes, please.
So yeah, I'm ready with this song. It's gonna be Tariq Indian.
Okay.
Yeah.
I hope you can hear the song, right?
Yeah.
Oh!
Woohoo!
Oh!
Thank you, Akshat. Keep smiling. Be safe. ध्यान रखना अपना, और let's be in contact.
Thank you. Take care.
Take
Stay
care.
safe.
Bye bye.
Bye.